This is the text for today's guided reading, Birds in Your Garden. Have a go at reading the text yourself first, but if you do get stuck, listen along to me reading the text while you point at the words and read them yourself too. You can read in your head as I'm reading along. At the end, you'll need to answer the questions based on this text. Birds in your garden. There are many different types of bird that you might see in your garden. Here are a few of them. The robin. Robins are very easy to spot in your garden. They have a red breast and a brown head and back. They have long legs and a short tail. They are very territorial. This means that they live in one area and will stop other robins from living there too. They eat insects, fruit, seeds and worms. Jackdaw. The jackdaw is a noisy bird. You would definitely notice this bird in your garden. They are quite large and have a grey neck, a stubby beak and white eyes. They eat insects, dead animals, eggs, young birds and seeds. Jackdaws are known for stealing things, not just food but objects too. Blue tit. The blue tit is a very small bird with bright blue and yellow feathers. The male and female look the same. They eat insects, caterpillars, seeds and nuts. They often eat from bird tables and live in garden nesting boxes. In winter, they meet with other blue tits to make it easier to search for food. Blackbird. Blackbirds are very common garden birds. They also live in farmland, woodland and near streets and coasts. They eat insects, worms, seeds and fruit. Blackbirds tend to live on their own. The male is glossy black with an orange beak and an orange ring around his eye. The female is dark brown with a brown beak. Heron. Herons like to stand next to garden ponds. This is because they love to eat fish and sometimes steal very expensive fish from people's ponds. They are quite large and have a long, thin beak, long, thin legs and a skinny neck. When they fly, they stretch their legs out behind them and their neck is folded back. Now you are ready to answer the question.